Today I'm going to show you how to get a mobile app for your security system. Videoloft is compatible with hundreds of leading brands of IP cameras, NVRs and DVRs, and it means you can watch footage from them via the mobile app or web viewer from anywhere at any time. All you need is a Videoloft cloud plan and a cloud adapter. The cloud adapter just needs to be connected to the same local network as your security system, and you can watch our installation videos, which we'll link to in the description, to see how to set it all up. Once it's all connected, you can watch the camera live feeds and recorded video events from the mobile app or a web browser. You can search by date and time, and you can even search by specific objects detected, like people or cars. Once you've found the video you're looking for, it's easy to play back, download, and share. You can also set up notifications for when motion's detected and schedule when the notifications are received.